Today we are in TEF part 2 because we are in part 2, right? Part 2, expression oral. Expression oral, section A. C'est clair? Répétez après moi. Expression orale, section A. D'accord? Okay. From where we stopped the conversation, I think we did it till part 2. C'est clair? Amandeep, can you repeat the conversation which we did yesterday? फटाफट.
यस सर सर टॉपिक भी बोलना है सारा
Yes, exactly.
Recherchons babysitter expérimente
Experimente.
expérimenté
Mhm.
vous cherchez du travail vous avez lu l'annonce ci-dessous dans un journal
Mhm.
et vous êtes intéressé vous
Mhm.
contactez les propriétaires
Mhm.
pour demander des informations complémentaires
Mhm.
préparez une dizaine de questions.
Mhm.
Bonjour, je m'appelle Amandeep Singh et
Mhm.
je viens de lire votre annonce concernant les postes de babysitter. Et
Mhm.
je suis très intéressé. Je vous appelle donc pour avoir quelques renseignements.
Mhm.
Oui, bien sûr. Que
Mhm.
désirez-vous savoir exactement? Tout d'abord, je garde des enfants depuis des ans maintenant. Après mes cours, est-ce suffisant comme expérience?
Mhm.
Oui, tout à fait. Je
Mhm.
suis étudiant et
Mhm.
je n'ai pas encore mon permis. Cela peut-il poser un problème?
Mhm.
Non, non, pas du tout. Ensuite, combien d'enfants
Mhm.
avez-vous?
Yes, exactement. Now, ici, par exemple, because dans la section A, vous devez poser la question avec votre examinateur. Okay. Now, you can raise a second question, Jess Curran. Comment s'appelle-t-il et quel âge ont-ils? Répétez après moi. Comment s'appelle-t-il? It means what they call themselves. Comment s'appelle-t-il? Répétez après moi, because these are questionnaires. Comment s'appelle-t-il? Répétez après moi, Jean. Because
Comment s'appelle-t-il?
dans la section 1, vous devez poser la question. C'est clair. You're asking comment s'appelle-t-il et quel âge ont-ils? Répétez après moi. Comment s'appelle-t-il?
Comment
It means
s'appelle-t-il
what they call
et
themselves.
quel
Et quel
âge
is what?
ont-ils?
What age they have? Quel âge ont-ils? C'est clair? Just Karan, is it clear to you? Clear, Sonal? Okay. Then examiner will say, il s'appelle Mathilde et Remy. They're two infants which you need to take care of. Their name is Mathilde et Remy. Mathilde a 3 ans et Remy 7 ans. C'est clair? Can you speak up, please, Jess Curran, examinateur? Mhm.
Il s'appelle Mathilde et Rami.
Mhm.
Mathilde a 13
3
ans
ans et Remy
et
7
Rami
7 ans.
7
C'est
ans.
clair? Now, candidate, est-ce que vous habitez? Because you're asking a question. See, you're looking for a work. C'est clair. So you ask a question. Est-ce que vous habitez le centre ou la banlieue de Bordeaux? Do you live? Est-ce que? Now, est-ce que is my questionnaire. C'est clair? Est-ce que vous habitez? It means, do you live in the center of the city or the banlieue? Banlieue is outer of the city. Suburbs, outer. Banlieue the border. Border is a city. So can you speak up, just Karan?
Est-ce que vous habitez le centre
Le
ou la
centre, vous
banlieue?
habitez. Est-ce que
Est-ce que vous
vous
habitez le
habitez le
ou
centre
la
ou le banlieue de Bordeaux? So what examiner
banlieue
will
de
say?
Bordeaux?
Nous habitons dans le centre-ville. Répétez après moi. Nous
Nous
habitons
habitons dans
dans le
le centre-ville.
centre-ville. C'est clair? D'accord? Clear? Now, again, you raise a question. Concernant la garde des enfants, une soirée par semaine. Now, concerning to garder. What is my garder verb? Is my verb to keep? Garder. C'est clair? Is it clear to you? Concerning to keeping the infants in soirée par semaine, every week Une soirée, we have evening par semaine. A evening every week par semaine. C'est clair? So, répétez après moi, s'il vous plaît, concernant la garde des enfants, une soirée par semaine. Can you repeat, please?
Concernant la garde des enfants,
Mhm.
une soirée par semaine.
Yes, répétez. Jaya, can you speak up? Because you have to speak your language out. C'est clair? Now repeat after me. Concernant. She's saying concerning to keep the infants in an evening by week. S'agit-il d'un jour en semaine ou le week-end? Is it s'agit-il? Very important questionnaire. Because you know, in your section A, vous devez poser la question, but obviously you have to ask the question in terms of sense. C'est clair? Now, first of all, concernant regarding la garde des enfants, to keeping the infants, मतलब to child care, one evening a week. Is it clear to you? S'agit-il? It is. Now, for example, what is s'agit-il over here? Very important. Now, for example, if I'll say, ma'am, what is this? S'agit-il quoi? Now, for example, you're asking, is it like a day? It is like a weekday or the weekend? Is it in a weekday or a weekend? So, is it etil? No. I can say s'agit-il. Agir basically is my verb to act. Pen down, please. A-G-I-R. Pen down, please. Jaskaran, vous comprenez? You understand? You understood, Jaskaran? Vous avez compris?
Yes, sir.
Okay, now, s'agit-il. Now, basically, pen down, please. Fix this thing in your mind. Whenever you're asking a question, it is like a weekday or a weekend. It is like a center of the city or the outer city. Is it like, because you're asking a question, s'agit-il. It is to be act in a day or a weekend. In a weekday or a weekend. So, s'agit-il, it is to be act. This walk. S'agit-il d'un jour en semaine, the jour en semaine is a weekday, ou le week-end or the weekend. Et ce jour peut-il varier? And this day peut-il varier? Maybe this day can vary, varier, vary. It means, or this can be changed, varier. C'est clair? Is it clear to you, Jaskaran, Sonal? Claire? Amandeep ji? Sonal, is it clear to you?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Claire? So can you speak up, Sonal? Concernant la garde des enfants, can you speak up, please?
Concernant la garde des enfants,
Mhm. Une soirée par semaine,
une soirée par semaine,
s'agit-il d'un jour en semaine? Mhm.
s'agit-il
S'agit-il d'un jour en semaine
d'un jour ou semaine
ou le week-end?
ou le week-end?
Et ce jour peut-il varier?
Et ce jour peut-il varier?
C'est clair? So répétez après moi, concernant, all of you speak up, please, Jay. Now you're asking regarding the child care, la garde des enfants, because this is a work related to child care. So concernant la garde des enfants, une soirée par semaine, s'agit-il d'un jour en semaine ou le week-end? Et ce jour peut-il varier? And this day may vary. Is it clear to you? Exactly. Now examiner will say, c'est toujours en vendredi. It is always on Friday. C'est toujours. Toujours is my verb to always. It is always in Friday. Is it clear to you?
Yes, sir.
You know what? TEF section A will do lot of topics. In every topic you have to speak after me. Whatever topic you have received till date in your TEF exam, the last year, next year, last year, last month, last week, we'll do entire topic for section A. But obviously you have to work hard with this session. C'est clair? The examiner can say, c'est toujours on vendredi. It is always in Wednesday. Toujours. Toujours is always. C'est clair? All of you, is it clear to you? Tell me yes and no.
Yes,
Yes,
sir.
Yes, sir.
Now you have to ask a question. À quelle heure rentrez-vous chez vous? À quelle heure rentrez? One sec, please. 1 second. Hello. Hanji. Ok. S'agit-il d'un jour en semaine ou le week-end et ce jour peut-il varier? C'est toujours un vendredi. Now, à quelle heure rentrez-vous chez vous? At what time you come? मतलब chez vous, à quelle heure rentrez? Chez vous, basically, chez vous. Chez हम use करते हैं at your house. Pen down, please. If I ask you, I will come to your house. So at your house, I will use the phrase of chez vous. Now, basically, à quelle heure rentrez? I'm saying, what time do you go to your home? Rentrer is my verb to re-enter, basically. Entrer, enter. Pen down, please. Entrer, we have verb to enter, and rentrer is to re-enter. I'm saying, at what time you go back to your house? At what time you go to your house? À quelle heure? At what time? Rentrez-vous chez vous? C'est clair? At what time? Rentrez-vous chez vous? At what time you go to your home? Chez vous. Chez vous. Chez vous, basically, chez is my at, and chez is my preposition, basically my at. Pen down, please. Chez is my preposition, which is at. Is it clear to you, all of you? Is it clear to you?
Yes, sir.
But at your house, if I write at your house, I will write chez vous. Literally, littéralement, I will write chez vous. C'est clair. Is it clear to you? Clear?
Yes, sir.
Now repeat after me. Clear? Okay. Now repeat after me. इसको repeat करो please.
À quelle heure
À quelle heure?
Quelle heure rentrez-vous chez vous?
rentrez-vous chez vous?
Chez vous. Rentrez-vous? Vous rentrez. À quelle heure you go back to your house? Chez vous. C'est clair? Vous कह रहे normalement vers 8 heures. 8 o'clock, what to say 8 o'clock? What to say 8? 8. So o'clock we call as heure. So basically normalement 8 heures. Is it clear to you? Is it clear to you?
Yes, sir.
Okay, now please speak up.
Normalement, 8 heures.
Clear? Can you speak up, Amandeep ji? Entire conversation.
Como zapletil quel age otil? Il zaple Matilde de Tremi. Matilde Trea. Tremi
नहीं,
accepta.
no. Mathilde a tronzon, treni, tron, trois.
Tronzon. Et Remi.
Mathilde, हमें ना कॉन्वर्सेशन में हमारा फोनेटिक बहुत स्ट्रॉन्ग होना चाहिए. Mathilde a 3 ans et Rémi a 7 ans. Est-ce que vous habitez le centre ou le banlieue de Bordeaux? C'est clair? Now, जैसे मैं, for example, if I say normalement vers 8 heures, what is heure? Heure, basically, we have o'clock. Heure, basically, we have o'clock pattern. So, normalement 8 heures, c'est clair? Normalement 8 heures, c'est clair? Clear हो रहा है आपको?
Yes.
Clear? Candidate कह रहे हैं d'accord, okay. Même si c'est plus tard, répétez après moi, even if, repeat after me. D'accord, répétez après moi.
D'accord.
D'accord is okay. Même si we use for even if. Repeat after me. Même si we use for even if.
Même si.
Même si. C'est plus tard if it is later. Sachez que, very important, cela me poserait aucun problème. Cela ne me poserait aucun problème. Very important. Okay, okay. But even if it is later, si c'est plus tard, si, même si, even if, say is it is, plus tard is later. Even if it is later, sachez que cela ne me poserait aucun problème. It means poserait is my verb to ask. Poser. Pen down, please. P-O-S-E-R. Okay. So basically, poser is my verb to ask. Say clear. Poser. Repeat, pen down, please. Poser is my verb to ask. Clear हो रहा है आपको? Repeat after me. Poser. अब देखो, language is all about sense of the. It will not create a problem. It will not occur any problem. That would not create. That would not ask to a question. Now, for example, you have to reach office at 8 o'clock and you have an appointment at 8 o'clock and you will say, if I will get late, you will not ask a question to me. अगर मैं लेट हो जाऊंगी आज मिलने के लिए, so you would not ask. So pose रहे is what? Conditional. Say Claire. All of you, is it clear to you?
Yes.
Is it clear to you? So repeat after me. Repeat,
Pose.
please. Poserai, because this is my
Poserai.
condition. Is it clear to you? So I'm saying over here, même si c'est plus tard, répétez après moi s'il vous plaît. Même si, even if it is later, अगर मैं late हो जाता हूँ, c'est plus tard. Tarder is my verb to late. So but you have to speak like that. Practice with the session, very important, because language is all about the moment you will speak with the trainer. So même si c'est plus tard, sachez que, this is my phrase. Sachez que cela ne me poserait aucun problème. C'est clair. So sachez que is my pattern for subjunctive, obviously, but over here I'm using as a question. To knowing that, sachez que, knowing that, use this thing. To knowing that this would not be a problem for me, use this thing. To knowing that. Is it clear to you? Knowing that. Sachez que. You now, for example, you say, I think it, to knowing that, just say if I'm running late for an office, and you say, I will reach office late, and to knowing that this would not be a problem for me. Sachez que, répétez après moi, just Karan, sachez que cela ne me poserait aucun problème. Aucun is any, aucun problème. Is it clear to you? This is how we are working for the pattern. Say Claire. Clear, just Karan? This is your TEF section A, wherein you have to ask a question. I will explain to you. I will give you entire template like comment on peut augmenter, s'accroître notre niveau de langue. C'est clair? How we can increase the level of the language. C'est clair? तो sachez que cela ne me poserait aucun problème, même si c'est plus tard. Bolo, speak up, just Karan. Même si.
Même si.
C'est plus tard.
C'est plus tard. Sachez que cela ne me
Vous
poserait
poserez
aucune
aucune problem. To knowing that does not create a problem. Is it clear to you? Clear हुआ? Amandeep ji, is it clear to you? That would not be a
Yes,
problem. Clear? So examiner will say, okay, d'accord. Clear? Okay, clair? Now, candidate, une dernière question, a last question. Une dernière question, c'est clair? Then whenever you will ask a last question, now for example, you're asking a last question, then say une dernière question, dernière. Repeat after me, dernière.
dernière.
Dernière, we
dernier.
have last, a last question. C'est clair? Une dernière question, a last question. C'est clair? À propos du salaire, if we talk about the salary, if we talk about the salary, we say, if we talk about the salary, à propos du, very important, à propos du, about, talking about, à propos du salaire, combien payez-vous de l'heure? Combien is how much? Payez-vous, vous payez, you pay. Payer is a verb to pay, P-A-Y-E-R. Combien payez-vous de l'heure? How much? How basically? You pay by an hour. De l'heure. Hour is my hour. So répétez après moi. Une dernière question à propos du salaire. Combien payez-vous de l'heure? Repeat after me, please.
Une dernière.
Une dernière
Une
question
dernière question.
à propos du
À
salaire.
propos du salaire,
Combien
combien
payez-vous de l'heure?
payez-vous de l'heure?
C'est clair? The examiner will say, c'est à 10 euros de l'heure. It is 10 euros by an hour. Is it clear to you? Répétez après moi, c'est à 10 euros de l'heure. C'est clair? Clear? C'est clair? All of you. Sonal, is it clear to you? For example, you have a topic for emploi. Any topic you will receive for emploi. For example, you're looking for a work. And you have to ask a question, apply these templates, but it will increase your, obviously you will gain. What is gagner verb? Vous gagnerez la bonne note. Gagner is to earn, is to score, is to win. Vous gagnerez la bonne note, the best marks. Because these are templates for looking. Now, for example, these are the template if you're looking for a work and you saw an advertisement, say Claire. Is it clear to you? Now, candidate, je vous remercie pour tous les renseignements. I am really appreciate for all this. Je vous remercie. We have verb remercier. Répétez après moi. Remercier is to appreciate. Thank you. Remercier. C'est clair. Apprécier. Répétez après moi. Apprécier. Repeat after me to appreciate. Use these vocabulary. Je vous remercie. I thank you. I'm grateful to you. Say in English, I'm grateful to you. So, je vous remercie. C'est clair. Pour tout, for all. Les renseignements. Renseignements, we have information. And you're saying, suppose me convient très bien. Répétez après moi. Suppose. Répétez après moi, s'il vous plaît.
Suppose me convient très bien.
C'est clair. Nobody's convient. It is convince, convient, suits. This position, this post suits me very well. Convient. C'est clair. This position suits me. Suppose me convient très bien. These are tablets. So répétez après moi. Je vous remercie pour tous les renseignements et suppose me convient très bien. C'est clair. Is it clear to you, all of you?
Yes, sir.
Convenir, to suit. The examiner can say, vous semblez être très sérieux et dynamique. Vous semblez, you seems like. We have verb sembler. We have full verb sembler is to seem like, to feel like. Répétez après moi. Use these vocabularies and pen down those vocabularies. Sembler is my verb to feel like, c'est clair, and to seem like. So saying vous semblez être très, très, très sérieux et dynamique. You look like to be very serious and dynamic. C'est clair? Now, candidate, merci. Merci, thank you. Quand pouvons-nous nous rencontrons? It means rencontrer, sorry. Rencontrer is my verb to meet. Rencontrer. So what a vocab we have? Gagner, remercier, apprécier, sembler, rencontrer. Can you speak up, please? Just Karan.
Gagner, remercier, sembler, rencontrer.
Yes. Ranveer, can you speak up?
Gagner, remercier, apprécier, rencontrer, sembler.
Yes. Sembler basically we verb to feel like, to look like. Vous semblez très sérieux, dynamique. You look like to be very serious and dynamic. So, candidate, you have to speak up. Merci, quand pouvons-nous nous rencontrer? When can we meet? Nous pouvons is we can. Rencontrer is my verb to meet. Quand nous pouvons rencontrer. C'est clair? Examiner can say, mardi dans la soirée. C'est clair? Tuesday in the evening. Si vous êtes libre, if you are free. Si vous êtes libre. Si is if. Vous êtes, you are libre, free. Candidate, bien sûr, of course. Mardi, c'est clair. Tuesday, vers 6 heures, 8 o'clock. Sorry, 1600 hours. 1800 hours, sorry. 1800 hours, which we called as what? 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 6 o'clock, 6 p.m. So, 6 heures. So, mardi vers 6 heures du soir. Because in the evening time, 6 heures du soir. In the evening. À votre domicile, at your place. Domicile is at your living place. Domicile. Is it clear to you? C'est clair? Now, examiner will say, d'accord, à mardi, alors au revoir. So, répétez après moi. D'accord, à mardi, alors au revoir. C'est clair, why? Is it clear to you, all of you? Tell me, please. Just Karan, did you get the pattern for section A? Now, for example, if you have your topic for looking for a, this is a babysitter, basically. You're looking for, now there's one house, they're looking for a person who can handle their babies. So this is something like you, and you saw the advertisement and you look for a work. Then you ask a question, you use first template, right? Say clear. Is it clear to you? So now over here, let me explain to you how you can start with this. Now, let me take to you. Let me explain to you. Now, what you need to do is how you can do practice. 1 second. This is my YouTube channel, right? And entire session is under recording. Clear? What you need to do is, जो हमने कल किया, whatever we have did yesterday. Okay, this is text section A, oral. And what we are doing, this is the second part of text section A, oral. Clear? Okay. Now, इसमें एक section मैंने और upload किया, which is French TEF preparation day 3, which is working for the vocabularies only. Say clear. Now, अब आपको करना क्या है basically? Obviously, this session is under recording. You have to watch those recording again and again. Now, for section A, you have 2 sessions. One is for yesterday, this one, and one is we're going to upload in the next 2-3 minutes time. Number 1. Number 2, I will share 2 sessions. One is French TEF day 3 task, which is working for the vocabulary. and one is French TEF preparation day 2. I think you already have done this. I'm not sure. So you have to watch those sessions and send me the content, entire content you jot down and send it back to me. Say Claire. Is it clear to you?
Yes,
Yes.
sir.
So there will be 4 sessions now. TEF section A part 1, TEF section A part 2, which we have discussed, which you will get a recording, and TEF day 3, this thing, and TEF day 2. We are working for the TEF vocabularies in this session. C'est clair, d'accord? So practice those sessions, pen down these 4 content. TEF section A content you need to pen down. Today we did this content you need to pen down. French language TEF preparation day 2 you need to pen down the content, and day 3 and submit back to me. This would be your task. And all of you need to submit your task latest by tomorrow class, so that I can check this thing. And all of you have to submit this task. So 4th session you have to do this. Say Claire, all
Yes,
of you, is
sir.
it clear to you? This is how we can work gradually with the TEF portion. Clear, Sonal, Jaskaran?
Yes.
So Sonal, Jaskaran, Amandeep ji, Gangjot ma'am, Jay, all of you, Ranveer, can you submit your these 4 session? I want you to again pen down, because the
Yes.
moment you will write more and more, you will understand the vocabularies. Say Claire, can you submit it back to me latest by today evening, or
Yes, sir.
so that I can check it?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Claire? Okay, so your time starts now. So I'm going to share a recording of this session, and meanwhile I'm going to share these 2 sessions also. Can you send me hi on my WhatsApp, Farafat, so that I can share those sections? Can you please send it back to me? Send me in my WhatsApp. Just send me, write it down one liner and hi in my WhatsApp number. Clear? Send it to me and I will share the sessions. So TEF day 3 and TEF day 2, I will go to share it with you, and this session also. Okay? Okay. So practice those and submit back to me your content. Clear? Okay. ठीक है बच्चों? ठीक है? ये भेजो. Then I will see. And आपको, you have to learn those vocab also for TEF day and TEF day 3 vocabularies. ठीक है? Okay, Jaskaran. Okay, Amandeep ji.
Yes.
Yes, sir.
ठीक है? ये task
Yes, sir.
ठीक है? चलो.
ठीक है.
So submit करो, then we'll meet you tomorrow then. ठीक है?
Okay, sir.
Yes.